Good morning, everyone. Guys, can you hearing me, please? Sir, give me small clarification. Is my voice is audible, please? Thank you. Thank you for valuable
Hear
response.
you. Yes, we
Okay.
can.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. So here, small introduction about myself. My name is Yakub. I have a 12 years of experience as a corporate trainer in the IT industry. I train professionals and students in Python programming language, including topics are like core Python, advanced Python, Django, Flask, Fast API, and along with some machine learning libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, SciPy. These are all are the data analytics topics. And along with we'll cover complete DevOps tools also, like this GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS. These are also very, very important while we are working in industry. Yeah, most of the companies follow this life cycle only to developing their complete applications. And in this session, slowly we'll start learning Python from basics to advanced level. That is also real-time project examples, like e-commerce website, dashboard applications like like Zomato, Swiggy, like this application we can see. But when we started learning real time, then only we can survive in industry. So we can go that format only. And slowly we will start our small demonstration in very basic level, my friends. Okay. So is it clear from my side? Please, once more. Small. Is it voice is clear from my Manik, Baswa? Okay. Thank you. Now, guys, small thing here. The first thing is what first what is computer? I'm going with very basic level, sir. What is computer first? Computer is an electronic device. So this device, consists with only electronic components. By default, computer can understand only binary level language. Here, what is a language? Language is a communicate, one person to another persons. In the same way, suppose if you are to send any data to the computer, by default, computer can understand only binary level language, means zeros or ones, and that language also called as machine level language, but understands that from human being side. So we guys are understand high level language like English, Telugu, or Hindi, and other programming language. So suppose as a human being, if I send hello guys message to machine, sir, but directly indirectly machine won't understand. Reason is what, machine can understand only zeros or ones, means machine can understand only binary level language. So here human being communicating with high level language, but high level language directly won't understand by machine. So in this situation, what we will do, sir, in order to convert our high level instruction into machine level understandable language between human beings to machine, and here we required one translator, sir, one translator. It is very, very important starting point as a beginner. Translator is required. So translator what will do? Okay, it can takes responsibility converting high level instruction into low level instruction. The translator name is nothing but a operating system. It is a OS. So operating system takes responsibility converting our high level instruction into machine understandable language. And later mission can send, okay, mission can send through back our human being understandable language. Suppose I'm telling you one example, sir. Suppose Baswa knows English very well, I know Telugu very well. Suppose, okay, in Telugu I am telling, okay, in Telugu I am telling good morning, but when I am say, bagunara, okay, so Baswa is won't understand. But Basu also telling to me, good morning, sir. But I'm unable to understand English. Okay, in this situation, between us, we required one translator. So my translator name is what? Mahesh. Mahesh knows both languages, Telugu and English. Now what I am doing, sir, in Telugu, Bagunnara word I am sending to Mahesh. Mahesh takes my instruction in Telugu, and he have a knowledge on English. And what he will do, he can convert Telugu language into English, and then he can send to the Baswa. Baswa can understand. Baswa will back response to Mahesh, and Mahesh will back response to me, sir. In the same format, okay, every OS main use what? It is a translator. Is converting high level language into low level, and low level to high level language. Sir, I understand here, but what is the operating system? What is the operating system? This is the main track, my friends. Guys, actually here OS is nothing, operating system is nothing but a one kind of software. Operating system. Here operating system is nothing but a one kind of software. It is a one kind of software. Now, sir, understand, but actually what is a software? First, later we'll go with. Operating system is nothing but a one kind of software. It is a software. Okay, software. What is a software? Simple, my friends. The software is a collection of programs. Software is a collection of program. Collection of program. Here software is a collection of program. Again, I am repeating. Here operating system is a one type of software. Okay, one type of software. Then what is a software actually? Software is a collection of program. Collection of program. Oh, sir, I understand actually. What is the program actually? What is a program? Guys, understand. Here program is a set of instruction. Okay, program is a set of instruction. Program is a set of instruction. Suppose program, what we'll do, okay, by using programming language we are communicating with machines. Then how? Suppose when we are communicating, you and me, sir, and you know very well English, I know very well English, that's why we can easily communicate. But which instruction you are sending directly with English, machine won't understand. Yes or no? That English instruction we are converting into mission understandable language. Then who will convert here? Programming language will be convert. So by using programming language, we are going to instructing to the machine. So then what is the instructions are? Instructions are nothing but input, output, processing statements. Guy, here program, what is a program? Program is software is a collection of program, and program is a set of instruction. Okay, here every program, not only Python, if you go with Java, Python, any programming language, every programming language contains four types of statements, four types of instruction, and four types of statements. Every program, every program contains with four types of statements. The first one is a variable declaration statements. Variable declaration statements. So I told you program is a set of instruction, and here the first instruction is nothing but a variable declaration. The second one is a value initialization statement. Value initialization statement, sir. Understand? What is the second one? Value initialization statement. And third one is a processing statement. Processing statement. Processing statement. Every programming language contains four types of instruction. Variable declaration, value initialization, processing. The last one is a output statement. Output statement. So these are the instruction. So according to our requirement, we can write multiple variable declaration statement, and we can write multiple value initialization statement. We can write processing means what? Addition, subtraction, if condition, looping, everything we can write in our processing statement. The last one is output statements. So every program contains, okay, these four types of statements. Okay. So finally, guys, here software is a collection of program. Program is nothing but a set of instructions. Set of instruction. See, sir, how to write this instruction? So to write this program, Nowadays in the market, we have so many programming languages. Here, first I am going with C programming language here. C is there. The next one is a C++. The next one is a Java, and we are for Python programming language, guys. So these are the program. Not only this, we have so many, but first I am going to focusing on this one: C, C++, Java, and Python. This many programming languages we have, and we'll see what happened. What is the problem in C, CPP, and Java and Python? We'll see one by one. So by using this programming language, here we are going to writing the programs. The collection of program is nothing but our software. Software. Then, sir, why we are developing the software here? Sir, software main purpose is providing data services. Again, I am repeating, sir. We are developing software means what? Providing the data services. Suppose I'll take one example. Guys, Amazon website. That is a e-commerce website. You know, uh, that website using for providing the e-commerce services. Like we are going to purchasing some electronic items and clothes. Okay, it can provide. So if you provide some proper data, and based on the data, they are going to providing the our cloth services and everything. Suppose if you go with Zomato here, it is a food ordering services. Suppose if you go with Book My Show, okay, they are taking our minimum data, and after that they are going to providing the ticket. Means by using software, we are going to providing the data services. That's why nowadays we are developing the softwares. But my friends, basically these softwares are two types. This is the main track here. Okay, the softwares are two types, guys. The first one is a system software. Then second one is nothing but a application software. Softwares are two types here. First one is a system softwares, very, very important. System softwares. So system softwares. Then second one is a application software. Second one is application software. First one is system software and second one is application software. Then coming one by one. So what is a system software? Already told you, system software also software. It is designed with collection of programs, but the use of system software is create a environment create a environment between users to users to system hardware parser system hardware system create environment between end user to system hardware part. That is the main use of our system software. Guys, now I am coming. So when you purchase your MacBook, by default they given one software. That is what Mac OS. Mac OS. Mac OS. OS means nothing but a operating system. Okay, without this software, we cannot touch that device. Means we are, as a user, we are giving some inputs, and that inputs take providing with keyboard. Keyboard is nothing but a hardware device here, and CPU can take our data, it can process it, and finally it will give back the response. Without this OS, we can't send the data, we cannot process, even we cannot get output. So it will create the platform. System software will create platform between end user to system hardware part. Coming from Windows family, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. These are the operating system. Suppose you are going to use the mobile phone, Android and iOS. These are the best example for our operating system. So it can translate a high level instruction into low level. It is a mediator. This is what system software. creating platform purpose. The coming from application software is very, very important. Application software also software which is designed with collection of programs, but use is specific, okay, specific functionality, a specific usages, sir. Suppose I am coming here. What is a specific? Suppose, guys, suppose here I am taking one example. MS Word. Tell me, sir, MS Word? Sir, need your response. MS Word? Guys, anyone please response with what? MS Word? Please. Book my show. Guys, need your response. Amazon website. Facebook, sir. Gmail application. Gmail application. Okay, these all are the best example for application software. Application software. My friends, these all application softwares we are going to install on system software. And by using these softwares, we are going to getting specific functionality. And then what is a specific functionality? Suppose, okay, when I am going to using MS Word, simply MS Word purpose is what? Creating documents, sir. Creating documents. Creating documents means what? Create a resume, envelope cards, newsletters. That is what a MS Word. Then I'm going with book my show. Simple. Okay, booking tickets. Booking tickets. Okay, booking tickets means movie tickets. Amazon website, purchasing our home appliance, something. Facebook for purpose is what? Okay, communicating with our friends, something chatting purpose. And Gmail also, okay, sending mail purpose. Now, sir, what is a specific? I'm coming that point. See, MS Word designed for creating documents only. Book my show, Book my show designed for only booking tickets. Now my requirements are, I want to create document with book my show. Is it possible, my friends? Please need your voice now. Suppose I want to create a resume. I want to create any envelope cards with book my show. Is it possible? Need your response. Is it possible, sir? No. Thank you, Ram. Reason is what? No, creating document functionality not given book my show. They given just booking tickets only. Now I am going with Amazon website. Simple, we are going to purchasing some products. Sir, by using Amazon website, I want to order the food. So food ordering functionality not given in Amazon website. So Amazon website pure, okay, product based application. Just they are selling the products. They given selling product functionality only. So Facebook, just charting purpose. Okay, by using Facebook, we can't create any resume, we can't create any documents. Right? Means what? Which application designed for specific functionality, that kind of softwares are application software. I know Zomato, just food order. But by using Zomato, we can't book the tickets, IRCTC, trains. This kind of software is what we call application software. Even, guys, here I am going to using MS Paint. MS Paint for just drawing purpose. But by using MS Paint, 1 minute. Okay. No, no, okay, sir. By using MS Paint, okay, we can't create any document. Even we can't chart also. This is for drawing purpose. So, this MS Paint given and designed for with specific functionality. That kind of software are nothing but a application software. So this is what software types. Now I'm coming, sir. So and finally, what I'm going to highlighting here, softwares are only two types: system and application software. So to designing this kind of softwares nowadays in market, we have so many programming languages like C, CPP, Java, and Python. But which programming language for which application? Directly, I'm telling, sir, here. Here C and C++. Both are both programming language are using for developing system software. But if you start develop system software, it will take years of time, sir. It is not a one-day procedure. It is a long procedure. It will take time. Not only system softwares, by using C and CPP, here we are developing system utility software. Nothing but like compiler, interpreters, any internet drivers. Okay, this kind of software is developing with system software. The next one, I am going with application software. Here, Java and Python both are using for application software. Here I given some, Book My Show, Amazon, Facebook, WhatsApp, okay, Flipkart, Gmail, Facebook. These all are example for our application software. Then again, application software again three types: standalone, web-based, and mobile. But nowadays, as a we, tomorrow after complete this course, we are going to focusing and developing only web-based applications, sir. Web-based application. This is very, very important. Web-based applications, sir. Web-based means what? Simply like a Amazon website, Facebook website, Zomato. These are the best example for web-based application. Standalone means what? Which application run in single PC and that application functionality accessing by single user. Again, I am repeating, sir. Which application run in single PC and that application functionality accessing by single user. Such kind of softwares are nothing but a standalone application. MS Paint, standalone. Antivirus, standalone. VLC Media Player, standalone. Okay, these are this kind of software is developed by production based company. What they will directly they can develop the application and sell into the market. But the next one, sir, I want to provide some services to my end users. Then go with web based application. Amazon website providing services. Okay, banking application providing services. So mainly we are going to focusing on our web-based applications, sir. See, when you develop web-based application, what we require. Guys, here I am highlighting every web-based application. Okay, every web-based application required three types of technologies. The first one is nothing but a UI technologies. Means if you want to develop any web-based application, every web-based application designed with three layers. The first one is nothing but a presentation layer. Presentation layer. Presentation layer. And in this layer, implementing with the first one HTML programming language for designing purpose. The next one CSS. Okay, styling purpose. The next one is Java scripting programming language. This is for provide validation, sir. Validations to our web pages. Web pages. Right? This is what, and after this, the combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript is nothing but a React JS. This is what our presentation layer, guys. Presentation layer. The next layer is nothing but a business logic layer. Business logic layer. Logic layer. So in business logic layer, simply here we are writing the business code. Business code means this business code we are writing in core Python. And in core Python, we are going to focusing on variables, data types, control statements, oops concept. The next one, in advanced Python, we are going to focusing on Django. So this framework specially used for developing web applications, sir. Developing web application by using MVT pattern. model view template pattern. The next one, sir, I want to, with Django, something a little bit of more lines code we are writing. Then again, I want to concise my code. Then, nowadays, most of the company using fast API. And before that, we are using Flask also. But compare with, Flask, fast API is very easy. These are the backend logic we are implementing. And along with here, we are going to focusing on GitHub. Okay, GitHub, and some py testing, testing applications, and you can go, Swagger. Okay, some we are tools also like Docker, Kubernetes. Okay, those tools also we are going to use it. The last one, my friends, data access layer. Data access layer. So in this layer, simply we are going to store our data. Store our data means, see here we are going to focusing on database concept. Database concept. Okay, in this database, mainly we are going to focus on MySQL server and Oracle server. Okay, MongoDB, your wish. In any database, MongoDB, and these all are database server. Okay, working with SQL programming language. So if you want to become a end-to-end full stack Python developer, okay, guys, as a beginner, we require this all knowledge, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, coming from core Python, Django, Fast API, and along with some tools coming from in backend layer like MySQL, Oracle. One server is enough, but okay, even you want to work with all the servers, the main is what SQL is required. SQL nothing but a structured query language. So this is what our end-to-end okay technology required to developing our web-based applications. And small things, sir. Sir, suppose I have some knowledge on, two things, sir. Okay, if you have a knowledge, an existing program language, that is very happy, sir. Even you don't have any knowledge in programming language, okay, don't worry because of, compare with other programming language. Python is very easy, my friends. Very easy because if you go with C and CPP and Java, suppose if you want to print hello, simple, hello program. Okay, Java will take okay, here I will show it. So Java will take knowingly, unknowingly 10 lines code will be take, sir. 10 lines code. Even you want to print hello world program, Java, C and CPP, even JavaScript will take minimum 10 lines of code. But in Python, just, sir, print, guys, hello. Print hello, just one line statement. Python will take less lines of code compared with other programming language. Sir, it is simple example. Guys, nowadays, outside the market, Gen AI, data science, machine learning is came. Sir, if you want to implement, machine learning data science application with Java and, other programming language, there knowingly, unknowingly, we can write hundreds lines of code. But, such things we can concise with Python just 4 lines code, sir. 4 lines code. That is the beauty of Python programming language. Nowadays, so what I'm telling, sir, okay, to learn Python programming language, okay, not required to do very hard work. So simple thing, okay, okay, like, Python statements, like also our, English reading statements. Okay, we have able to read English, that's enough. Okay, print, okay, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 30. Every statements are very, very easy. That's why nowadays Python is very, very, compared with other programming, Python is very simple and easy programming language, guys. Python using in which area? Suppose, guys, here I am going to tell you, nowadays Python, by using Python, we are developing, so many applications. Just I am going to show you Python.o. It is a Python official website. Okay, just I am doing the python.org. Python for what? Just I am giving small overview. Sir, by using Python here, by using Python, we are developing here web-based application. Look here, and graphical user application, scientific applications, and software development like testing tools, testing tool database, and system administration like operating systems. Okay. So nowadays Python is everywhere. Data science, machine learning, Gen AI. Okay, in every area, sir, web development. Okay, everywhere nowadays using Python programming language, right? So this is what small demonstrations, sir. And based on this one, if you have any question, you can ask me. I will clarify you. I am coming with one by one. Okay, Baswa, please. Are you following me, please, Baswa?
Yes, yes, following in.
Is it clear, Reddy? Please,
Yeah, yeah, very,
Telugu or what? Tell me.
yeah, yeah, Telugu, Telugu, very clear. Thank you.
Thank you. Gopichand, please. Need your response.
Yes, I'm following them.
Okay. Is it clear from my side, please?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Mahesh, what about you? Mahesh. Mahesh Garu, please. Manisha.
I do have a question.
Yes.
Like in this 3 months course, what is the course content you are covering, and what will be the sample projects you will be discussing?
Yes, madam. Thank you. Already I given here. Okay, in your course, we are going to highlighting here HTML, right? This is for, designing web pages like, login page, registration page, and complete HTML and CSS for styling purpose, and JavaScripting and React.js. Okay, I'll send you that content also. Don't worry about it. And
Okay.
along with, in backend logic, in core Python, we are going to focusing on variables, data types, control statements, Python functions, modules. Next, OOPS concept. In OOPS, we can focus on class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, multi-threading. The next, we can focus on database topics are SQL. Okay, once SQL is completed, slowly we'll start Django. This is for developing web-based application. Okay, the next fast API. Nowadays compare Django is for what? Okay, to developing, what we call simple web application, like a dashboard application. But nowadays most of the developer the companies focusing on microservices. Okay, if you want to develop microservices, then go with Fast API. And before Fast API, I'll explain you Flask also. But in Flask, we have so many issues. But compare with Flask, Fast API is very easy. The next, while learning this all the contents, okay, as a developer, you guys are required some tools knowledge also. Then, how to push the code and where we can, what is the repository, okay, and with Git and GitHub we can see. And after complete development, as a developer, we need to test ourselves. Is the given functionality working properly or not? Okay, before sending our project to our client, then we are going to using the PI testing. And you know, and here, ma'am, please. Suppose I am going to developing one, employee management system or e-commerce website like Amazon website. That kind of application we are developing from the scratch. Okay, you only developing and we only gathering the data and we are going to do analysis, developing, and after development that project we are deploying into our AWS cloud also. Okay, while this course, okay, I'll tell you minimum 2 or 3 projects, real world projects. And after that, with you, okay, with you, we are doing minimum, okay, 3 to 4 projects. There is no doubt in that. So these are
Okay.
all are the topics we'll covered while learning these things. Clear, please need our response.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, may I know please. Padmaja Garu, please.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, your voice is clear for me.
Yeah, it's pretty good, sir. But like, what is the ID we are going to use for these developments and all?
Okay, we can use PyCharm IDE, a PyCharm dedicated for Python. We can use VS Code also, VS Code, and when you are going to working with like data analytics, we can use Jupyter Notebook also we can use. But as a web developer, we can use VS Code only, madam. VS
Mm.
Code is best, right? And some, if you do, in bigger level application, then we can use PyCharm IDE. Will come everything one by one. So how to, how to install Python software, which ID we need to use, how to save, everything will become one by one. Today's demonstration, na? So that's why I'm not given that much of content.
Okay, okay, sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Everything I'll tell you scratch level. Okay, that is my promise. Okay. Okay. Ram Garu. Ram, please.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, it's pretty good. But one thing I wanted to know. So actually, I'm looking for from data engineer or data analyst perspective, not in a web based or something. So is it? I mean, should I attend from all the classes from starting, or is there any specific batch for that?
Yes, Ram, I'll tell you one thing. Even you want to learn data analytics, and we required these things, Ram, because core Python is mandatory. Okay. After
Mm-hmm.
core Python, and later we'll start, a few libraries are there. Okay, I'll tell you that content also. After in core Python, if you focus on data analytics, we are going to focusing in core Python variables, data types, collection framework, and function concept. After that, and we can focus on NumPy, the next one pandas. These are the libraries, pandas,
Yeah.
pandas, at matplotlib, okay, matplotlib, and in a scipy, okay, scipy. Okay, these are the library. Then once you understand these libraries, and now we are going with Power BI tool. And along with, we can say SQL is mandatory. Okay, structure query language, there how to create the tables, everything we can see. This is the data analytics topics. Okay, even okay, that one also I'm teaching you. Okay, let me know, if they will start data analysis, but you can continue up to here. What I'm telling up, you can focus on core Python. Okay, once data analytics batch will be start, okay, you will come in this batch. Is it clear from my side, please?
Okay, so I think initially you're going to start with all this web-based stuff, right?
No,
Or
no, no.
so
I'll start with the core Python backend only, right? See,
okay,
when we start learning as a beginner, first we can focus on backend logic. Once you understand backend logic, these are very easy, right? First we can,
yeah,
we can focus on backend only. We'll get
okay,
backend clarity first. Every
okay,
time I can start with core Python only. Once it is completed, slowly will come HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then we'll start Django. Once backend is
okay.
completed, then I can focus on SQL. First, what I will do, I'll go on core Python. Okay, next
Mm-hmm.
SQL. Next this complete stuff. Then I will come Django.
Got you. Thank you.
Okay, but suppose you want to come in, data analytics. First, we'll finish this part and this part. Later, will come this part. Already I have my batch is there. Okay, data analytics that is running. Okay, we'll see later. I'll get some confirmation from the administration, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Nitish, please need your response. Nitish Kumar Reddy. Yes. Every day you will get recording session. There is no doubt in that. Okay, and they will we have a LMS. Okay, every day recording session will be available in this portal only. And not only a recording session, every day I will give so many assignments, sir. Okay, class-wise assignments. I'll show you one thing. Okay, what I will do in my session. Suppose here, advanced project day one. This is what Okay. After completing the session, every day I will give the this is the projects actually. Okay, this is not. Uh, Give me 1 minute, sir. Data structure, my Python exam 2, Python. Right, sir. This is what our topic wise will give the assignments. This is a practice book, sir. For everyone, I'll send you, and you guys are take their Xerox copy like this, sir. So when I start variable topics, I'll explain you each and everything. Later we'll give the assignment like this. So here it is a variable name I given, then give the value, then type what type of data types. I'll explain you like this. I'll give the Okay, assignments. When I start variable topic is complete, then what is the variable, types of variable, how to assign, how to modify, like this will give the questions. Okay, not only, okay, these topics are in each topic, we have a, okay, hands-on practice. Here I give you some example problem. Later I will give like this, sir. So then only we'll get more clarity as a beginner, as a experience. Got it my point? This is my style. Okay, and every day you must be submit, task within the time in your group. Sir. Okay, suppose here I am going to showing, sir, I have a one data analytics batch. Okay, okay, I am teaching to other. I'll show you what I am doing. This is the one batch, sir, data analytics. This is the batch. Okay, once I completed, okay, I'll send you. I'll give some task to them. Okay, they are sending like this. I sent. I come yesterday. I know they are going to sending the task like this. Charts like this. Every day, class wise, I will give the assignments. Okay, end of the day, they need to send that send back to me the task. Then only, okay, we'll get more clarity. Clear? Sir, if any questions, feel free, you can ask me, please. Here is the booklet, sir. Definitely, I'll send you this booklet. Okay, this is what we are doing and how to work with logic in Python. Okay, everything we'll see one by one. This complete booklet. Okay. If any Ram, is it clear? Manisha.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Any queries, please? I think okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.